Hello, my amazing students. Welcome to Mrs. Buckner's English language class. In this lesson, our focus will be on the group written report. As the phrase suggests, it is a report that will be written through the contribution of all group members. In the initial stage of the SBA, you were all placed in a group based on the theme you have selected for your SBA journey. This was discussed in the previous video titled Choosing Your Theme and Research Topic. Okay students, let's get down to business. What is the group written report? This is a report that requires you to summarize the processes, procedures, and outcomes of the selection of 3 articles from your group. You should justify your selection of the 3 articles, and it should be 250 to 300 words in length. Please note that this section of your SBA is a collaborative effort, and in order to achieve maximum marks, all hands will be needed on deck. As a group, you are required to choose 3 of the artifacts from the total number of artifacts in your group. For example, in a group of 5, you would have a total of 15 artifacts to choose your 3 from. It is highly recommended that there be variations in the selection of the artifacts. In other words, you can choose a poem, an article, and illustration for your group report. Now that you have selected the 3 artifacts, let's turn our focus on writing the group report. Step 1. For your first paragraph, state the group's theme and the reason for selecting your theme. Say for example you have selected teenage pregnancy. Did you choose this theme because it is a universal issue? Is it one that affects many persons? And is it that it has a lot of artifacts that can be used to enhance your project, such as poems, songs, illustrations, videos? You are free to state all the reasons for choosing the theme. Moving on to step 2. In your second paragraph, you are to discuss the 3 artifacts you have selected and give a summary of each artifact. For example, the song titled Teenage Pregnancy by Vybz Kartel speaks about a teenage girl that got pregnant and having to decide the next step for her life. If you are using an article, ensure to include the date in which the article was published and its author. Step 3. Paragraph 3 requires you and your group members to discuss how often you all met as a group and the benefits gained from the meeting. What happened in the meetings and how successful each meeting were. Also, discuss what you have learned as a result of working in a group, and did each group member actively participated in the group activities. Step 4. Conclude your paragraph by stating whether or not the objectives planned for each or most of the meetings were met. Okay students, let's now take a look at this sample group written report. See you next time.